Introducing the new ZPL laser displacement sensors. ZPL delivers best-in-class resolution, superior temperature characteristic, and unmatched linearity for precise, consistent performance. Engineered for accuracy and effortless setup, it meets the rigorous demands of automotive manufacturing. Scanning curved profile. From body panels and windshields to intricate engine components, ZPL adapts seamlessly to curved and contoured surfaces, ensuring flawless measurements at every stage of production. Detecting stacking errors. Precision is key in automotive electronics. Stacking errors in ECU and PCB assemblies can cause malfunctions or system failures. With ZPL, double-stack components are instantly identified, while ultra-accurate height measurement ensures perfect alignment for optimal performance and durability. Precision and reliability are essential in automotive manufacturing. From detecting joints welding to press stroke management, ZPL guarantees flawless assembly.